This video is for those students who are not good at drawing and they don't want to lose their marks in biology when they are needed to draw a diagram. So I will tell you a technique by which you can draw this difficult diagram of nephron easily. This diagram may not be beautiful, but it will have all the parts properly shown, and with this diagram you will definitely get full marks in the examination. So here we go with the diagram of the nephron. First of all, what we are going to draw is the Bowman's capsule. So this is the important structure, and you have seen that with the free hand drawing you can draw it very easily. Let us continue. Now this part which you see is the Bowman's capsule. This structure PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal means close to what? Bowman's capsule. And convoluted because of the shape, wavy shape, and this is a tube, so tubule, proximal convoluted tubule or PCT. There is one more structure here which is far away from the Bowman's capsule. Far away means at certain distance, so distal convoluted tubule or just DCT. This duct is called the conducting duct. We have shown only one nephron, but there are so many nephrons which pour in the urine into this duct called the conducting duct. Right? Now a capillary which is bigger in size, whose diameter is bigger, is the efferent arteriole, which brings thick blood into the Bowman's capsule, and the another duct whose diameter is not that big, smaller in diameter, which takes this blood away from the Bowman's capsule, that is the efferent arteriole. So this is efferent arteriole, and this one is the efferent arteriole. In your diagram, please don't forget to show the diameter of the efferent arteriole bigger than the diameter of the efferent arteriole. And this part is called loop of Henle. You can see this loop because of this pin-like structure. It is called loop and discovered by Henle. So it is called a loop of Henle. Now comes the difficult part. For this part you can use the thick pencil. we are not allowed to use the color pencil. Otherwise, oxygenated blood means red in color and deoxygenated blood means blue in color. So this will go up. Please use the pencils of the different thickness so that you can show all this properly. Please don't forget to show this glomerulus, a knot-like structure. This part is called glomerulus. And Bowman's capsule plus glomerulus is called Malpighian body or Malpighian capsule. So use pencils of different thickness to draw this diagram, so it will save your time. So just to revise, we can say that part number 1, this capillary is the afferent arteriole, okay, and it is bigger in diameter, and one which goes out is the afferent arteriole. And Bowman capsule is our third part and glomerulus is our fourth part, and both the parts together, Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, is called the Malpighian body or the Malpighian capsule. Then this convoluted or wavy part which is close to the near to the Bowman's capsule is called the proximal convoluted tubule or just PCT, and the same part which is away from the Bowman's capsule at a certain distance is called the distal convoluted tubule. And this loop discovered by Dr. Henle is called or given a name loop of Henle. And this duct is called the conducting duct. Finally, please don't forget to show these arrows the fluid which is traveling through the nephron, the journey of this fluid. You have to represent it with the help of the arrows. Wherever it is taking a turn, please show that. And finally coming here. Then the fluid coming from the other nephrons, okay, is conducted in this way through the conducting duct. So here you have a diagram which most of the students find it difficult. So have a look at this diagram. And in our next video, we are going to deal with the another difficult diagram, that is of the excretory system.